An example of a level 2 critique for Kate Mansfield's The Fly. Now, I don't get a title here. I need a title. I need a two-tier title to see that you can make this. However, what I do get is the author's name, full name, and the name of the story right at the beginning. That's great, and I get a good summary. All right, a lot of the summary. See the fly right here? He attempts to cry after old Woodyfield leaves. So this part quickly, covers up to the point when Woodyfield leaves, and then this part is there's more given to the actual play with the fly episode that the boss goes through, because that's the main point of the story there. So I like the summary. Good summary there. Now look how the interpretation starts. Here Mansfield is saying two things. The first is okay, and then you get to see that the second thing Mansfield is trying to show is, so there is a really good structure to the interpretation. It was organized well. There's a good attempt there to get to the figurative message. Look how the evaluation starts. I believe that Kate Mansfield was attempting to write a story that represented the deeper meaning of life and death. It exceeds. His story is deep and chocked with full of hidden meaning. Now, the thing is, you know what? I like the structure here, but the student who's writing this is all of a sudden doing kind of filler stuff up here. Well, yes, Mansfield is attempting to write a story that represents, okay? And of course she succeeds in her attempt. So I wouldn't necessarily write about that. Her story is deep and chocked with hidden meaning. This sentence right there is basically a repeat of this stuff. Now, writing a story is something anyone can do. Adding a level of meaning behind it to get out a message that you feel is important is not so easy. Okay, I know that, but you're still going on at just how good a job. The fact that this has been published and considered a classic, that very fact implies that Mansfield did a good job with the story. So, let's see. I believe, I think if we had done this, we're getting better. You're getting more focused. Okay, so the evaluation needs work. Nevertheless, this student produced a level 2 critique that has very good structure to it. Alright, so I would probably give this around a 3.6.